Hello guys, and welcome back to Reality Rewind. Please like and subscribe. I absolutely appreciate it. Guys, ever since uvuyo elotsholiweyo, uMpumelelo uyaphithizela guys, uyaphithizela. Siyambona lapha ku Instagram ubusy uyaposta ama pictures. So far ever since uvuyo elotsholiweyo, uSibindi useposte ama pictures. Usenze ama post angu 3 on Instagram if I'm not too mistaken. Instagram posts, not stories. Stories angikhulumi ke. He's been posting and posting. Lawo guys ngama symptoms awumuntu o heartbroken. Siyakwazi uwabona ama symptoms awumuntu o heartbroken. Uyabona nje ukuthi he is hurt as much as he is trying to hide, but he is hurt. Ngibona nje la ngendlela athukana ngayo on the comment section. Akabathuka abantu, akabathuki guys. Utshele omnye usisi ukuthi yena ungcono, akafani nalo sisi olokhu ebangikhishi loma wakhe ekhaya. Kuningi guys, kuningi shem. Baya comment abantu bayamthuka under ama pictures abo akhe, laye uya responda, uyabathuka. You would swear yeah, he really wants to release his frustrations on the comment section. I'll just go ahead and put the comments here so that you can read them for yourselves. But I bengithi ngisho ukuthi akumnandi uyapretenda, uMpumelelo akumnandi uyapretenda. Uhead guys, liyakhumbula on this other meeting that they had with Uvuyo. That meeting angithiwa iqale wahlala phansi lo baba kwathi ubaba ke ngifuna ukuye eGoli ngiyokhuluma lama girlfriends ami, but ngizakhuluma la one by one ngibabonise ngendaba ye virgin. So kule meeting le ayihlala phansi lo Vuyo ebhizi ethi kuVuyo, amkela indlela engiyona, inkinga yakho ulwa lami lendlela uMpumelelo guys wayezenza ngathi yena athi yena uVuyo inkinga kaVuyo nesikhwele what ezenza special nje ngathi yena uspecial kakhulu, athi amkela indlela engiyona. uVuyo wathi no, I'm not going to amkela indlela oyiyona, I will not. So siyabona shame ukuthi akumnandi uyapretenda, siyabona ayabonisa ama posts. Anyways, thank you so much guys for watching. I'll see you on my next one. Please do let me know what you think on the comment section. Bye.